Good evening, class 6. Let's start. We are going to do sums on proportion. Exercise 41. Subjective type question. Sum number 4. Find the fourth proportional to. There are 4 subparts. I'm going to do subpart B. Subpart B, 15, 30, 16 kg. So we can write this as 15 is to 30 equals to 16 is to x. 15 by 30 equals to 16 by x. On cross multiplication we get x equals to 30 into 16 by 15. 15 2s are 30 and x equals to 32 kgs. This is the answer. Next, same question, subpart C. Subpart C, the terms that are given are 1.2, 2.4, 0.02. So we can write 1.2 is to 2.4 equals to 0.02 is to x. So 1.2 divided by 2.4 equals to 0.02 divided by x. On cross multiplication, x equals to 2.4 into 0.02 divided by 1.2. Okay, the decimal gets cancelled. 12 2s are 24. X equals to 0.04, which is the answer. Next, I move to question number 5. Find the third proportional to. Here 3 subparts. Here also 4 subparts are given. I am going to do subpart A. Subpart A is given in the form of mixed fractions. 3 1 by 3 and your 3 1 by 5. So 10 by 3 comma 16 by 5. So 10 by 3 is to 16 by 5 equals to 16 by 5 is to x. 10 by 3 divided by 16 by 5 equals to 16 by 5 divided by x. Next step, I am going to change the division form to multiplication form. Then what do I get? 10 by 3 into 5 by 16 equals to 16 by 5x. So left hand side, what do we get? 50 divided by 48 equals to 16 by 5x. On cross multiplication we get x equals to 48 into 16 divided by 50 into 5. So 2 8s are 16, 2 25s are, x equals to 384 by 125. Okay, which we can write as what? 39 by 125. So this is the answer. Next sum number 7. Sum number 7. In sum number 7, it's given there are some oranges and apple in a basket. If the ratio be 4 is to 5, if the ratio of orange is to apple ratio is given as 4 is to 5 and the number of oranges is 16, find the total number of fruits in the basket. So the common unit be x, so orange equals to common unit x, so orange will be equals to 4x and apple equals to 5x. As it is given in the question that the number of the oranges is equal to 16, so x will be equals to 4, right? So the number of apple will be 5 into 4, that is 20. So total number of fruits, how much? Total number of fruits, number of oranges, that is equals to 16 plus number of apple, that is 20, equals to 36 fruits in the basket. Next, sum number 8. Sum number 8 is given in the question. The ratio of 65 to a number is equal to the ratio of 13 to 11. Find the number. So 65 to a number, now let that number be x, and 13 is to 11. So this is equal and you have to find out x from here. 13 by 11. On cross multiplication we get x equals to 65 into 11 divided by 13. 13 5s are 65, x equals to 55. Okay. Then next one is sum number 11. Sum number 11. The sum has two parts. First one are 21, 24, 35, 44. 21, 24, 35, 44 are in proportion. We have to check whether they are in proportion or not. If not, then we have to find out the fourth term when they will be in proportion. So first we are going to check whether these terms are in proportion or not. So 21 is to 24, if they are in proportion, then 21 is to 24 should be equal to 35 is to 44. So 21 by 24 equals to 35 by 44. This one, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So these two sides are not equal, right? That means these terms are not in proportion, right? As both sides are not equal. That means we have to do the second part. We have to find out the fourth term. So what can we write? First part of the question, answer is no, they are not in proportion. The second part we are doing to find out the fourth term. The fourth term be x. So 21 by 24 equals to 35 by x. On cross multiplication we get x equals to 24 into 35 by 21. 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 7 5s are 35. X equals to 40. That means the fourth term is 40. Okay, so that is the answer over here. So that's it, class 6. Thank you.